Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the most beautiful luxury homes and dream properties from around the world. Today, we are stepping inside a stunning modern luxury mansion that perfectly blends elegance, comfort, and contemporary design. If you love high-end real estate and breathtaking interiors, you are going to enjoy this tour. Let's begin right from the front exterior. As you arrive at the property, the first thing you notice is the impressive architectural design. The mansion features a sophisticated semi-gray and warm brown color palette, giving it a timeless and premium appearance. Clean modern lines, large glass windows, and stone detailing create a powerful first impression. The wide luxury driveway leads you directly toward the grand entrance, surrounded by beautifully landscaped greenery that enhances the overall luxury feel. Now let's take a drone view from above. From the aerial perspective, you can truly appreciate the scale of this property. The home sits perfectly within its surroundings, offering privacy while still showcasing its grand presence. The modern roof design, outdoor spaces, and balanced layout make this mansion look like a private resort. This is the type of home designed not just for living, but for experiencing a luxury lifestyle every single day. Moving toward the main entrance, we are welcomed by a stylish modern gate combining wood textures with elegant gray stone finishes. As the doors open, we step into a breathtaking double-height foyer. Natural light pours through massive glass panels, illuminating the marble flooring and designer chandelier above. The combination of gray walls and brown wood accents creates warmth while maintaining a modern luxury atmosphere. Now let's enter the living room. The living space is designed for both relaxation and entertaining. Large sectional seating, modern decor pieces, and soft ambient lighting make the room feel inviting yet sophisticated. Floor-to-ceiling windows connect the indoors with the outdoor views, allowing sunlight to enhance the neutral color tones. Every detail here reflects thoughtful design, from the textured wall panels to the elegant furniture placement. Next, we move into the heart of the home, the kitchen. This open-concept luxury kitchen features sleek gray cabinetry paired with rich brown wooden textures. A large marble island sits at the center, perfect for family gatherings or hosting guests. High-end appliances, modern pendant lighting, and clean minimal lines give this kitchen a professional yet comfortable feel. It's easy to imagine cooking here while enjoying conversations with friends and family. Right beside the kitchen is the formal dining area. The dining space features a long designer table positioned under a statement chandelier. The warm brown tones balance beautifully with the gray interior palette, creating an elegant dining environment ideal for celebrations or intimate dinners. Large windows provide natural lighting during the day, while soft lighting transforms the space into a cozy luxury setting at night. Now let's check out the garage. This property includes a spacious multi-car garage with polished flooring and modern lighting. Designed not only for functionality but also presentation, the garage feels like a luxury showroom, perfect for car enthusiasts or collectors. Heading upstairs, we enter the master bedroom suite. This private retreat is designed for comfort and peace. Soft gray walls, warm brown furniture, and large windows create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. The room offers generous space, a seating area, and beautiful outdoor views. The design feels similar to a 5-star hotel suite, combining luxury with everyday comfort. Connected to the bedroom is the spa-inspired bathroom. Here we find a freestanding bathtub, walk-in glass shower, and elegant marble finishes. Brown wooden vanities add warmth to the modern gray stone textures, creating a perfect balance between modern and natural elements. This space truly feels like a personal wellness retreat. Next, we step into the private home gym. Equipped with professional workout equipment, mirrored walls, and natural lighting, this gym allows homeowners to maintain a healthy lifestyle without ever leaving the house. The modern design keeps the space motivating and energetic. Finally, let's head outside to the swimming pool and TV lounge area. This outdoor space feels like a luxury resort. The swimming pool reflects the evening lights while the brown wooden deck provides a relaxing seating area. The outdoor TV lounge creates the perfect environment for entertaining guests, watching movies, or simply enjoying peaceful evenings under the sky. This home perfectly combines modern architecture, luxury comfort, and functional living spaces, making it a true dream mansion. Thank you for touring this incredible property with American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next luxury home experience.